The Toyota Land Cruiser stands as an iconic symbol of durability and off-road capability, with the 300 series representing the latest evolution of this legendary vehicle. Manufactured at Toyota's Tahara plant in Aichi Prefecture, Japan, the Land Cruiser 300 GR embodies decades of engineering excellence and manufacturing precision. The Tahara facility is one of Toyota's most advanced manufacturing complexes, spanning vast areas dedicated to stamping, welding, painting, and assembly operations. This comprehensive facility produces multiple Toyota models while maintaining the highest quality standards expected from the Land Cruiser nameplate. The manufacturing process begins with the sourcing of premium steel from carefully selected suppliers, which is then transformed into the vehicle's structural components through a series of sophisticated processes. Every Land Cruiser 300 GR produced in Japan undergoes rigorous quality control at multiple stages, reflecting Toyota's commitment to delivering vehicles that can endure challenging environments and demanding use. The production journey from raw steel to a finished SUV is a testament to Japanese manufacturing excellence, combining traditional craftsmanship with cutting-edge automation technology. Toyota's manufacturing philosophy emphasizes the importance of precision, efficiency, and continuous improvement, principles that directly influence how the Land Cruiser 300 GR is produced. The company invests heavily in research and development to refine manufacturing processes, ensuring that each vehicle meets exacting specifications. Understanding how Toyota manufactures the Land Cruiser 300 GR provides valuable insights into Japanese automotive manufacturing and the meticulous attention to detail that defines premium vehicle production. From the initial stamping of steel to the final assembly and testing, every step contributes to creating an SUV renowned for reliability and performance in extreme conditions worldwide. The manufacturing process begins with the stamping and body structure creation, where massive coils of premium steel are transformed into the Land Cruiser's foundational components. At the Tahara plant, giant stamping presses weighing hundreds of tons compress steel into precise shapes for body panels, doors, and structural frames. These stamping operations are performed with exceptional accuracy, with tolerances measured in fractions of millimeters to ensure that all components fit together perfectly during assembly. The stamped components are then transported to the welding section, where advanced robotic welding systems join hundreds of individual steel pieces into an integrated body structure. Toyota employs both spot welding, which creates strong joints by applying electrical current at specific points, and advanced laser welding techniques that provide superior strength and precision. The welding robots operate with remarkable consistency, completing thousands of welds on each vehicle with identical precision and strength. Quality inspectors examine the welded body structure using advanced measurement systems, including 3D laser scanning technology that verifies every dimension against specifications. Any structural components that deviate from specifications are immediately identified and corrected before proceeding to the next manufacturing stage. The Land Cruiser's body structure is designed for exceptional rigidity and strength, critical factors for a vehicle intended to operate in remote and challenging environments. The manufacturing team at Tahara takes pride in the structural integrity of the Land Cruiser, understanding that this foundation determines the vehicle's durability and safety performance. Advanced computer systems track each body structure through the welding process, recording data about every weld and monitoring quality metrics in real time. This combination of robotic precision and human oversight ensures that the Land Cruiser 300 GR's body structure meets the exacting standards Toyota has maintained for over 7 decades. Following body assembly, the Land Cruiser 300 GR proceeds to the painting facility, where the vehicle receives multiple layers of protective coatings and cosmetic finishes that define its appearance. The painting process begins with comprehensive body cleaning, removing any residual oils, dust, or manufacturing byproducts that could interfere with paint adhesion. The clean body is then conveyed through an electrophoretic deposition process, where a protective primer coat is electrochemically applied to all internal and external surfaces, providing corrosion resistance essential for a vehicle designed for harsh environments. Following primer application, the body passes through paint booths where multiple layers of color paint are carefully applied using advanced automated spray systems that ensure consistent film thickness and flawless finish. Toyota utilizes environmentally advanced paint formulations and application technologies that minimize volatile organic compound emissions while delivering superior protection and aesthetic quality. Environmental control systems maintain precise temperature, humidity, and airflow conditions in the paint facility, creating optimal conditions for paint curing and quality. After color paint application, the body receives clear coat layers that protect the color coat from UV damage and environmental contaminants, while providing the deep, lustrous finish characteristic of premium Toyota vehicles. Quality inspectors examine the painted surface under specialized lighting conditions, detecting even minor imperfections that might be invisible under normal lighting. Any painted components requiring touch-up or rework are addressed by skilled technicians who carefully blend repairs to ensure seamless results. The painted Land Cruiser 300 GR body then passes through controlled drying and curing ovens where heat is precisely applied to cure all paint layers to maximum hardness and adhesion. This comprehensive painting process transforms the raw steel body into a finished component with protection and aesthetics worthy of the Land Cruiser name. The assembly phase represents the most complex stage of Land Cruiser 300 GR manufacturing, where hundreds of components are integrated into a functioning vehicle through a carefully choreographed sequence. At the main assembly line, the painted body structure is positioned on a moving conveyor system that carries it through sequential assembly stations, each designed to add specific components and systems. Skilled workers and robotic systems collaborate seamlessly, with robots handling heavy lifting and repetitive tasks, while workers focus on tasks requiring dexterity, judgment, and quality verification. The powertrain, consisting of the engine, transmission, and drivetrain components, is carefully installed as a complete module, sealed and tested prior to vehicle integration. The suspension system, consisting of sophisticated independent double wishbone front suspension and multi-link rear suspension specifically designed for Land Cruiser capabilities, is precisely mounted to the chassis. Electrical harnesses containing hundreds of meters of wiring are routed throughout the vehicle, connecting sensors, control modules, and components that enable the Land Cruiser's advanced systems. The interior assembly includes the installation of the dashboard, seats, door panels, and trim components, all precisely fitted to ensure gaps and alignment meet Toyota's exacting standards. Workers wear white gloves during interior assembly to prevent contamination and maintain the pristine condition customers expect from a premium vehicle. Each assembly station is equipped with electronic displays showing workers exactly which components to install and verification checks to perform. Quality control personnel conduct ongoing inspections at critical assembly points, identifying and addressing any issues immediately to prevent defects from progressing through subsequent assembly stages. The assembly line operates at a carefully optimized pace, allowing sufficient time for meticulous work while maintaining production efficiency. Following assembly, every Land Cruiser 300 GR undergoes comprehensive testing and quality verification to ensure it meets the exacting standards Toyota customers expect. The vehicle is driven onto dynamometer test stands where engines are run under controlled load conditions, verifying power output, fuel consumption, and emissions compliance. Suspension, braking, and steering systems are tested to confirm proper function and alignment, with technicians making precise adjustments if needed. Electrical systems are comprehensively tested, verifying that all lighting, climate control, infotainment, and safety systems function correctly. The vehicle is inspected for water leaks, testing door seals, window seals, and roof panel seals by simulating rainfall conditions in controlled spray booths. Technicians perform thorough visual inspections of the exterior and interior, examining paint quality, panel gaps, interior trim fit, and overall assembly quality. Any identified defects are immediately documented and corrected by service technicians trained to restore the vehicle to flawless condition. Each Land Cruiser 300 GR receives an extensive road test with dedicated test drivers evaluating vehicle handling, responsiveness, comfort, and performance across various driving conditions. Test drivers provide detailed feedback about any unusual sounds, vibrations, or performance characteristics that might indicate underlying issues. Environmental test chambers simulate extreme temperature conditions from brutal heat to sub-zero cold, verifying that all vehicle systems function reliably across the temperature spectrum. The comprehensive testing ensures that every Land Cruiser 300 GR leaving the Tahara facility meets Toyota's legendary reliability standards and customer expectations for a premium SUV capable of conquering the world's most challenging terrain. The final stage of manufacturing involves detailed preparation and delivery logistics, ensuring the vehicle reaches customers in immaculate condition. Final cosmetic preparation includes comprehensive exterior washing to remove any manufacturing residue, followed by protective wax application and final detailing. Interior detailing ensures that the pristine condition achieved during assembly is maintained, with professionals carefully cleaning all surfaces and verifying that all features function perfectly. The vehicle receives detailed documentation including maintenance records, specification sheets, and warranty information. Protective coverings are applied to seats and interior surfaces during transportation to prevent damage. The finished Land Cruiser 300 GR is loaded onto enclosed automotive carriers that provide protection during transport to dealerships across Japan and preparation for international export. Throughout the manufacturing process, Toyota maintains meticulous records tracking each vehicle's production history, component sources, and quality verification results. This data provides traceability and enables rapid response if any issues emerge post-delivery. The manufacturing excellence demonstrated in Land Cruiser 300 GR production reflects Toyota's commitment to delivering vehicles of exceptional quality and durability. From raw steel coils arriving at the Tahara plant to finished SUVs departing for global markets, every stage involves precision, expertise, and unwavering commitment to excellence. The Land Cruiser 300 GR represents not just a vehicle, but a culmination of decades of manufacturing innovation and Japanese automotive engineering traditions. Understanding this manufacturing process reveals why the Land Cruiser has earned its reputation as one of the world's most dependable and capable SUVs, trusted by adventurers, explorers, and demanding users.